102 when the Lotus Evora was introduced to the public in 2009. It represented the British company's first all-new project in 13 years, and the first 2+2, 4-seater since the XL in 1992. The Evora was positioned above the Elise and Europa because of its slightly larger body size and more widespread appeal. What made the Evora special was its mid-engine configuration, as not many 4-seaters had their engine mounted behind the seats. That engine came in the form of Toyota's 2GR Spec, a 3.5-liter V6, from cars like the Blade, that was retuned by Lotus to produce 276 bhp and 258.2 lb-ft of torque. This allowed the lightweight Evora, which weighed in at roughly 1,382 kilograms, to dash to 60 miles per hour in less than 5.0 seconds and reach a top speed of 162 miles per hour, putting it in the same performance league as the Porsche 911. The Evora's body design was uniquely Lotus, highlighted by a long front overhang and short rear deck. Inside the sheet metal, the cabin was a picture of luxury as it featured high-quality materials and ample space for larger drivers in the front seats. The suspension utilized double wishbones at all 4 corners. The ventilated discs with AP Racing 4-piston calipers provided plenty of stopping power, which helped make the Evora one of the best handling cars in the world, and one that Colin Chapman would have been proud of.